The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. The individual investor should act consistently as an investor, not as a speculator. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. And don't get too scared. The best way to measure your investing success is not by whether you're beating the market, but by whether you've put a financial plan and a behavioral discipline that are likely to get you where you want to go. The intelligent investor is a realist who sells to optimists and buys from pessimists. You make most of your money in a bear market. You just don't realize it at the time. Diversification is protection against ignorance. Time in the market beats timing the market. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in yourself.